If bed bugs have taken up residence in your car, you're probably pretty grossed out. But don't panic, it's not that difficult or expensive to get rid of bed bugs in your car. Just follow these steps. Bed bugs can survive for months in a car if the conditions are right. If the climate outside is moderate and you use your car regularly, they're not going to move out anytime soon. To start evicting them for good, the first step is to thoroughly clean the inside of your vehicle. Remove the floor mats and anything else they might be hiding under, then vacuum and dust as well as you can. Next, you can weaponize the bed bug's intolerance to extreme heat and cold. As soon as temperatures dip below 46 degrees Fahrenheit or go above 113 degrees, any bed bugs in your car will die. If you live in a hot climate, park your car directly in the sun. If you live in a temperate climate, turn the car on, keep the windows up, and crank up the heat for a while. And if it's winter, roll your windows down for a little bit to freeze the bugs out. At this point, cold temperatures are the best way to kill any lingering bed bugs or eggs in your car. Collect all of them that you can find, put them in a plastic bag or container, and put that in the freezer. While it's not the most appealing task, collecting the remaining bugs and eggs and freezing them is the best way to make sure they don't pop up again in your car or elsewhere. You may need to use chemicals to finish the job if the bed bugs just won't go away. You can hire a professional fumigator if your budget allows. Otherwise, you can find sprays and other treatments at big box stores and other retailers. Just be sure to let the interior of your vehicle air out before you drive it again, as these chemical treatments can be toxic to people and pets. For more advice on car ownership, including how to save hundreds of dollars a year on your car insurance, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.